It's snowing, and it's time to talk about a good movie. Okay, guys, if you're looking for a good movie to watch, you're going to love this one, and it's free on YouTube. It's called Eyes in the Night, and it has Donna Reed in it, and it's the 1942 show, Eyes in the Night. And basically, Donna Reed, who, by the way, before I get into the story, I'll tell you, she grew up as a farm girl in Iowa and started out as wanting to be a teacher. And because she couldn't afford to go to college, her aunt suggested she move to California, where they spotted her. And she did get her associate's degree, but she did a lot of movies. But anyway, let's get into the story. Okay, Donna Reed is a little snot. Which is kind of funny because usually I don't see her in those roles. But what she is doing is she's dating an older man that used to be her stepmother's boyfriend. So she's kind of mean to her stepmother, and the boyfriend and her, like he's dating her, and she didn't really even like him. But anyway, what happens is he ends up getting killed. And it gets into the story where the mother has a friend that's blind, and her friend that's blind helps her solve the case of, this murder, which also gets into the fact that her husband is some kind of a chemist or something that has some kind of a formula that people are looking for. It was a great movie. It had a lot of thoughts and things in it that make you, like kept you glued to it. It also had a dog, which he basically stole the show. The dog was so funny. I was dying. He did all kinds of stuff. It was the blind man's dog. And I think he really made this show, so it was just fun. So if you're looking for a movie, I always don't like to tell you too much, but you can tell by my expression and how I'm acting and the little bit that I give you on these. I don't like to tell you too much because I want you to enjoy the movie, because they are free on YouTube. This movie's free on YouTube. And it's Eyes in the Night, 1942 with Donna Reed. And when you watch it, let me know what you think. And also, too, even if you come back to the video after you watch these movies, let me know what you think. And let me know if you thought the dog was the best part of the whole movie, because he's all through the movie. He just does so many funny things. He's cute. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.